Alright, what's good, Grizzly Squad? It's your boy Grizzly Marty. I'm back with another daggone video for y'all. So today I'm gonna be putting my caliper covers on there. So I got a friend to help me. You already know who he is, man. It's Charles. So let me go ahead and show y'all. Alright, Charles, we about to put these caliper covers on. Try to, man. Let me see the things over there. So we about to figure it out. So I need a drill like that. How much that cost?
$800.
God. Nah, I probably get a cheap one. You got $200, you got $200, $300 one?
Yeah, you
okay.
That
That's good. Yeah, that's the real one right there. So this how it look, you know? So what I gotta do is we have to clean these parts off right here, and then I gotta figure out like how you actually attach it. Like you gotta get it measured right so it can actually be right here. This is a big caliber too. My hand is big and this joint is huge. Is this like a 2-piston caliber?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It might be a 1-piston.
1-piston? Okay. It might be. It's a big old brake though. It's a big brake pad, I mean. So I never had like a new car like this. You see all this stuff on it? Like, dang. Hey, but all my other cars get like rusty and stuff like that. That's just from the get up, y'all. You'll grow as you get older. Also, ooh, you got the best.
Those you supposed to clean up right here?
Yeah, yep.
Okay. And they're already clean.
Not that bad.
I mean, new cars. So. Enough for cleaning, bro.
Wow.
Enough for cleaning.
So it'll stick on good? You think?
It should have stuck on through the dirt. But...
Yeah, so.
Alright, so now I don't know how this stuff
Alright,
goes
so let's see. Which one I'm gonna use? I'm gonna use the one that's not chipped.
Oh, I gotta measure it.
So this is how it's gonna look, y'all.
Okay, there you go.
That looks really good though. I like that. Yeah, see, I want to paint these eventually, just black, but I don't care. I want to change these anyway.
Okay.
But this is just for the cover up because I hate the look of just the
recording?
regular brake pads. I need some Brembos or something.
Or
should I get the Whitwood? Whitwood's good.
I mean, Brembos, Whitwoods. Yeah, these are 2 pistons. So
Okay.
the 2 little hoops right here.
Okay.
So there's 2 pistons right here. You can see the.
Cool.
You can see. Wait, let me see. Yeah, see. You can see the outer. There's cylinders right here.
Yeah, I see it.
So it's one right here and one right there.
All right.
So. All right. Cool. All right. So what we gotta do is we gotta just take these, or take the sticker off and stick them right in here.
Right. Okay.
Does that fit right, or maybe we should turn them up? Turn them up like that.
Yeah.
That way it's hidden.
Right, a little bit.
So I'm thinking right there. It's not gonna hit. You gotta probably bend it a little bit to fit. This thing it's like perfectly fit. I was worried about rattling, but
Yeah, I think it stays. It's magnetic, and then when you glue it on with the, I guess has the 3M tape on it.
right.
So it just stays on there.
So I'm
And
thinking.
you're getting good reviews on it.
I'm thinking is we're gonna just stick with this.
Okay.
Stick with this.
Okay.
That's
So
cool.
that's yeah, that's cool.
The point is when you take that sticker off,
Can't move it.
can't move it.
Yeah.
I mean, well, you can put more stickers.
So you
on
want
it,
to measure it right?
I mean, that's
Let's do
okay.
it. I'm not good at measuring, but
No, it's like
I
this.
can figure this out.
No, it's pretty much like this. So
Okay.
you take this, you turn it on the inside, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because I can't really measure but so much because it's on the inside.
Right.
So we do it like that, right? So it's gonna sit like this, right? So now the curved piece. So I'm trying to figure this out because okay, so see how this one bends down?
Yeah.
I was expecting it to curve over the edge of here,
Mm-hmm.
but if I get that one to curve over the edge of it, then this one won't go nowhere near it.
Okay.
So we got to figure out a way to center it to where it's
Like a little bit covered, yeah.
yeah.
I
So
got you.
now, but see now I was gonna use a pin to mark it, but then I can't. I don't know how I can get this thing off and leave it in place.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm thinking, well, you know what?
I can try.
The wind may actually hit this a little bit. They may hit a tank, 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 tank. You might hit a tank, tank, tank.
Hopefully it don't do that though.
Hopefully it doesn't. I mean, if not, you can reach through the wheel and actually move it. So.
Right. All right, y'all. So this is the left side, the driver's side. Y'all tell me how that look. Comment down below, give y'all review. I mean, y'all on inputs of how the caliper covers look. So now we're about to go to the other side and do that. That wasn't that hard when you take the wheel off. Cause I was trying to do it with the wheel on, and cause they said you could do it like that. So I tried, but I don't think I got the right wheels to do that.
Probably, yeah.
I probably need to. Yeah, I need some other type of wheel. Alright, so I'm finally matching, y'all. So it's coming along. So I got the covers, and of course I got the sticker. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow me on IG, man, Grizzly_Marty. But my channel is just Grizzly Marty, you know. So go ahead and follow me on that. But yeah, it's coming along, and then next is the wrap, you guys. So the wrap is gonna be coming. That probably it's not gonna be my next thing, but that's gonna be the thing that really makes the car stick out and really pop. You know, because I need to get those exhausts down ASAP. So I'm just waiting to get my inspection. You know, this Corona thing is really messing up things. So the NVA taking a long time with a lot of things, but it's coming along, you guys. Yeah, so we about to go ahead and do the other side. All right, Grizzly Squad. There's 392 over there, man. But y'all check it out, man. Y'all see how y'all like it. Now I gotta clean it now. So it can really be shining. But she look good, and you can see the caliber. You be like, okay. And I got I want to lower it, get that better even stacker. So I'm gonna go over and help Charles out, man. Stop about this recording. So I gotta do it, man. It's my new YouTube. That's what I gotta do. I gotta record it. And he got the back one. What's the back ones look like? Let me go ahead and show y'all. Let me show you what the back ones look like, man. It's hot as a mug right now. Woo. So the back ones are a little bit smaller. And it's hot back here. Woo. That exhaust. Yeah, that exhaust. We got a little man in the car. He's staying in the AC, so I gotta keep my car on. Usually I'll just thug it out, you know, I try to. But yeah, these, so I'm gonna show y'all the difference. They're much bigger, look cool too, right? Y'all comment down below, let me know what you think about the CCI calibers, man. And I appreciate it, y'all. CCI, y'all watching this. So these are the real ones. Got my Nizame on there. Let me show y'all. You want?
That's unsafe ball. You see that joint? That's unsafe ball.
That's unsafe ball.
Yeah,
I think it's from my burnouts, man.
Nah, bro. That's a wheel lamination from the front.
Yeah.
They rotated the tires and put them in the back. And
Oh man, look at my tires. So I gotta get some new tires.
Yeah. So the burnout didn't help it, but that when it's sliced like that on the side like that, that's because of the wheel line.
Okay. All right, so.
All right.
Guess I gotta get those too.
Well, you got this.
Oh yeah. Let me get to my job, y'all. So let me go. Alright, y'all. So Charles over there taking the wheel off on that side, but look at the back ones, y'all. I like the way the back ones really do. They really cover this up more. That's just my opinion. I still like the product, but I know the front ones. They don't cover up as much. You still see that because I have a big brake pad. So, but I like the way this one is really flush with it. I think I might take this off and paint the actual caliper. But yeah, it's really structured, man. I really like their work, man. I definitely will be getting more from them, you know. If I want to change up my color, I'll probably put a design or say Grizzly or something, you know, on it. So I definitely will be hitting them up, man. I appreciate this. So we got the final one on. Charles helped me out tremendously, man. I don't know if I couldn't do this. I mean, I do have I have a jack at home, but I'll be doing this manually, taking off these lugs, man.
Through the wheels, you probably could have did it through the wheels.
Yeah, I tried. Maybe the back ones, but the front ones, no. I was gonna have to like scratch them up and stuff like that, so I didn't want to do that. So I just did it safe way, pretty much. And that's the best way. So I gotta get some rear tires. Charles said. I didn't know my back tire was that bad. So no burnouts, y'all. Until this, he's like, I can do them, but what?
Do it, just limit them.
Just limit it?
Limit them, because
all right, 2 seconds.
them tires are done, bro.
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and order me some tires, man.
Hey, do a poll on your needles, man. See what
Okay. Do a needle?
Yeah, do a poll Polar Nito's.
Okay.
Like, okay, look, Nito 555s, the G2s, or regular 555s.
Okay.
Not the R's, though. Not the R's. Because they got several different kinds.
Right.
Ooh. Let me go over these right quick to make sure they good.
That thing is powerful, man. The snap-on drill. That thing is like that. Woo. All right, Grizzly Squad. So I finally got my daggone caliber covers on. Look at them things, man. And oh yeah, I gotta change these. I'll be forgetting about. That's something I forgot to order. Let me go ahead and order those now because they're not even expensive. Change them to LEDs so my car will be fully black with the orange, man. But yeah, check them out, y'all. Y'all see them, how they cover everything? It look really good. I love it, man. I love it. I love it. That dark Hemi orange too in it. Yeah. So I'm gonna have that orange on the top too. Oh, I'm about to get hit. So I'm gonna get that. But that look pretty good. Let me show y'all this side too. This side, okay, so look, you can see even better because it's like darker on this side. It gets a little bit of shade. But yeah, you see everything, how everything, see how the little details make everything pop out? So I didn't have no color or nothing on it, so it made it look way different. So let me get past this tree, see if y'all can see everything. You see that? Bro, got that caliber cover on that jank, bro. They were like, dang, what you did to your 300, man? I like, nah, man, just got them caliber, them CCI caliber covers on that thing, man. Woo, they're looking good. I love it. Now I gotta get it lowered too. See, it's a lot of stuff I gotta get done to the 300, man. Gotta get these things lowered. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow the IG. Yeah, I gotta debadge this. Cause I don't want no Chrysler stuff. I got a Chrysler already in the inside. Let me show y'all. That's how you know it's a Chrysler. And what else I gotta do? Oh yeah, I gotta get the front. I gotta get this grill changed, man. I like the grill, but I'm gonna go ahead and get that changed. And then I might be doing something to this part. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. Y'all stay tuned, bro. All right, so Charles, it look good? It look all right?
Good, man.
You gonna get some caliber covers, man? You gonna put it? See, Charles, he like everything. He wanted the Brimbos, he wanted the Willwoods. Yeah, you got the Brimbos, man. So I gotta get the Brembo. I got the Brembo money right now, so I'm gonna just get the covers right now. Yeah, but these look cool. I appreciate it, Charles. So what you got planned to yours?
Motor time, baby.
Motor time? Uh-oh. Y'all stay tuned for that. Motor time, motor time. He's ready to start his motor. So what you said? This by the end of this month, right?
No, by the next few days.
Next few days. Oh, okay.
Yeah, by the end of this month, right.
Dang. It's perfect too. The lighting is perfect. Like where he's hitting everything.
Yeah.
Everything like HD right now. Everything is HD. Dang, so you had to take. Oh yeah, you gotta take all that stuff off. Let me get past all this. Still got the ones on my feet, man. Oh yeah, you got the copyright music. So you got this thing off. So there go the motor, y'all. It's ready to get installed. So you trying to have it in today?
That's my plan.
That's your plan? Okay.
That's my plan.
That's the
Yeah,
plan,
I gotta do a little bit of cleaning. I think I'm gonna clean up. I wasn't gonna clean up, but now I'm thinking, yeah. I think
okay. Let me know what
you can't really see that stuff when it's in the car. But
okay, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But I'm like, what the heck? Let me go ahead and
hey man,
clean it all up and stuff. So
let me know what I can help you with, man.
Oh, okay. Not a problem.
I don't mind helping. You know, I ain't that far. I'm right around the corner.
Not a problem.
I like all the car stuff, man.
Anytime.
Even if I'm not recording, you know, I come and help.
Oh yeah.
Ain't no point.
No, just I mean, as soon as I look, all I do is jack this thing up,
right.
Literally slide that joint forward.
Okay.
Take that axle, pull the axle back.
Oh yeah, the axle.
Slide the joint forward, and it's in there. I mean, literally, I could probably have it in about 15 minutes.
Wow.
So I mean, have it in there.
Yeah.
I can pull it up. I don't mean it's in there, but it's I can have it slid in there good enough. As long as you got this front open,
got that front.
jack the joint up, you're good to go.
He took everything off. I don't know how to do that. I'll be like, I wouldn't know how to. I do know how to do it, but what I would forget is how to put it back. Like I will forget it.
If
it's like too much.
Show you that.
Okay.
It's really not that much to actually take this stuff apart.
Yeah.
You got full bolts to hold the bumper cover on.
So what do you put them in baggies? You put like the bolts in baggies or something and label them?
I try to do that and label
Okay.
So
okay. So that's all I have to do too.
Yeah, but first of all, I don't do that for this car.
Okay.
Where everything is. So. But normally when I take a car apart, especially if it's a new car, fresh car, I usually try to put them in a bag, label them, because there's a lot of stuff.
I know. I can see.
But all your wires on that stuff, they're pretty much self-explanatory. They fit in the right spot, so you know what I'm saying. You don't have to worry about that. But but yeah, I mean, once you take a specific car apart, enough. You can know it by heart. Yeah. I know every bolt and nut. If you just show me the bolt, I can go, yeah, that's the transmission bolt.
Okay.
Yeah, I know what it is. So that's on this particular car, and a couple other cars I've done. So yeah, hopefully I'll get some room in this garage, because this garage is tight.
Yeah. It's your garage though, man. Garage. See, that's what I need a garage, even if it's a one car or 2 car, whatever I get, man. I need a garage so I can just put my own stuff in there, start building up my toolage.
Exactly. Well, you getting that, bro? You get that. So your car looking good, man. So
thank you.
We're gonna see what we're gonna do next. Hopefully, throw some springs on that thing and make it look.
Yeah, I do need some springs on it. I don't want it like too low. I know everybody been talking about it, like the Mopar lowering springs. They say don't get them because it makes it low as a scat pack. But I like the way how low the scat pack is, because I drive this thing a lot. You know, so I still want it to be comfortable, but I want it to be a little low.
I mean, they don't cut springs no more.
Right.
So your ride, no matter how low it's gonna be, it's gonna be a nice, comfortable ride.
Okay.
Like I said, I think you just got to worry about like intrusions in the road, like humps in the road, stuff like that. Depending upon how low it is, if you run over something and go straight through the middle of the car, if the car is sitting low enough, you might hit something underneath the bottom.
So I still got my Mazda, so it's not my daily driven, but I do like to drive it whenever I get a chance to.
Yeah. Well, hopefully, if you get your thing together, man, we can turbocharge that Mazda.
I know. It's looking good. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I've been thinking. I got some. What did I order yesterday? I think I ordered some the little center caps, because my center caps fell off.
Oh, is that right?
So I had to get those, and I'm like, dang, I can get some more stuff on my Mazda.
Okay.
So I think I'm gonna get some. I need some shocks, because I can hear I can hear bouncing in the back, and it just sounds stupid, Yes. So
when I'm done with this joint, it's gonna be a lot cleaner. So all my wires gonna be all cleaned up and nice and neat. So hopefully, you guys will see the end product of this whole thing. So
yeah, man, you a worker, man. Ain't nobody worry about that.
So hopefully, turnkey will probably, next week sometime.
That sounds good.
Next Wednesday or Thursday.
I'll be here.
So we'll just make it for next Saturday.
All right, that sounds cool. Yeah. That's all cool. I don't gotta work next week either, so I'm good.
So yeah, I take it, but I'll let you be the first. I'll let you video the first turnkey of it.
All right, that sounds cool. So I appreciate it.
First time it started up in 4 years.
Okay. Dang, 4 years.
Yeah, it's been sitting for 4 years. So.
Okay, you got her back up soon.
So so I'm doing a lot meticulous work, cleaned everything up, put brand new everything in there. So hey, everything's fresh.
All right. All right, Grizzly Squad, so I'm done with this video, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming out with these bangers every single goddamn day for you guys. So y'all see the calibers, man. Let's see if y'all can see them. Y'all see them things right there? Yeah, y'all see them things. Goodness. It really makes the car really look good. I already got a bunch of compliments on them, man, but I wasn't recording. Man, my boy just went to Chick-fil-A, so we about to go grub. I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Don't forget to share this video to get this thing to, let's see, 50 likes, all right? 50 likes, all right? So let me see if y'all can do that, man, because I'm going to be doing a lot more. I'm telling you, I got a lot more coming up, and we need to go ahead and get this inspection, because I was working. So now I'm not working this week, so I'm going to go ahead and get this Maryland inspection so I can go ahead and get the daggone delete, y'all. So peace, y'all. I'll see y'all later on.